Hey guys, welcome again to another episode of Beyond the Shaker. I am Dairon.
And I'm Alan.
And today we got a surprise directly from my country,
Colombia.
Hope you already have tried it.
So many times I love it. I'm not a soup person, guys, but this, it's heaven.
What we're gonna cook for you today is the short rib beef sancocho, Colombian sancocho. Okay guys, we have here short ribs. So we have about 1 pound. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the
pot. All right, with that, we have 3 cups of water. We're gonna pour it here. Listen, if the 3 cups does not cover your ribs, add more until your ribs are covered.
That's the Colombian style.
As we said, guys, if 3 cups does not cover your ribs, add more. Take it to the sink, put some water in it. So this has got to boil for 30 minutes until these ribs are cooked, okay?
Okay guys, this has been boiling for about 30 minutes. Now we reduce to simmer. Now we're gonna add our veggies.
A stalk of celery, diced.
This is 1 stalk of green onions.
A third of a purple onion, chopped.
This is about 1/4 or 1/3 of a green bell pepper.
This is 1/3 of a carrot shredded.
2 garlic cloves.
This is 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon.
Now here in the United States, we have this sazon Goya. If you are in a Latin country trying to find a soup seasoning, I use half of the package.
6 to 8 balls of allspice.
Now we're gonna add salt to this, but we gotta be careful.
Very careful. Some of these things are already salty.
Yeah. Need more salt?
Just a little.
Taste as you go.
That tequila's strong. Instead of potatoes, we're using 1/3 of a pound of radishes. Why? Because this takes the longest to cook and soften. That's why.
Now we're gonna let this cook for about 10 minutes before we add the rest of our ingredients, okay?
All right, this is how it looks so far. Remember the substitutions I was talking about?
1/3 of a cup of cauliflower florets.
Florets. 1/3 of a chayote.
1/3 of a medium chayote.
Nope. Zucchini.
1/3 of a medium zucchini.
All right, guys, so now that everything is here, almost, we're gonna let this cook for 10 more minutos. To finish her off, we need the juice of 1 lime.
That's kind of enough to me.
Maybe half a lime.
Yeah, that line was juicy.
That's a juicy lime.
Did a little bit. And let's taste. I think it's done.
I think it's good, yeah.
Yeah, it's done. It's good and it has all the flavor.
All the flavor.
This recipe has 500 calories and only 6 net carbs per serving.
Shout out. Anna Blazy, you saw us on the YT and you came over to the FBs. You followed us, you loved us, you liked us, you shared us, and guess what, girl? We love you. I would have said your last name, but I don't even know how to pronounce it. We love you so much, guys. As always, remember, from 3 Margaritas in to your home, we love y'all.
The carbs, not the flavor. Cocktails.